What's up, guys? It's Brian from NFTminer.ca. We are bringing another video to you. First, welcome all of our returning subscribers. The channel has been exploding, and I'm so grateful and thankful for every one of you guys and girls. And we have like 60 some subscribers within the 2 weeks of launching the YouTube channel. Love every one of you guys. Thank you so much for being part of my journey. And then we also have, like quite a bit of engagement in the community and in the videos. So clearly, you appreciate the videos I'm doing, and I appreciate you taking the time, subscribing to my channel, and following along with my Go Mining journey. So thank you guys. If you're new here, please make sure to follow my referral link. That inspires me to continue doing more videos for you guys. And I want to work with you and be team partners. So basically what happens is you're going to sign up through my referral. You're going to use the code for the 5% TH bonus. And then moving forward with that, you're going to message me either on Twitter, or you can send me a message on my blog, nftminer.ca, where I break down a lot of really amazing ideas and suggestions on how you guys can increase your return on investment with GoMining. So we can connect there. But the whole point of this, guys, is I'm going to walk you through registration. I'm going to walk you through creating your first miner. I'm going to walk and guide you through setting up your VeGOMINING tokens so that you have a completely self-sufficient ecosystem within GoMining, where the dividend rewards from your VeGOMINING lock completely fund and operate the expenses and services of your mining equipment with GoMining. So super exciting stuff. But today, we are going to be focusing on bounty points, how I use those bounty points to increase my return on investment, and how the bounty system and the tasks assigned by GoMining help us gain more BTC from our daily mining rewards. Okay, so here's how it works. GoMining basically gives us tasks. We complete these tasks and they give us points. At the end of the cycle, which happens every Tuesday, they divide the pool of rewards, GoMining tokens, by the amount of participants, and then the participants get a share based on how much activity and tasks they completed. From my experience, the biggest one is referrals. So if you guys are watching this video and you're truly getting some good stuff from it and you appreciate what I'm doing, I do ask that you click my link in the comments section, use my code for the 5% TH bonus, and together we will work at creating your miner, getting you registered. Like, I will walk through all of it with you guys. I'm on Twitter, NFTminerCA, and then of course here on YouTube and my blog, NFTminer.ca. And I'll walk through all of that with you and ensure that we are getting you the highest return on interest, investment, the ROI, the highest return, and then obviously taking advantage of the GoMining ecosystem that they've provided for us to also help increase that return on investment a little bit. So I'm going to walk through all of that with you guys. So please, if you can, use the referral link. Again, thank you for everyone who subscribed. And if you're new here, welcome. Hit the subscribe button because we have new and exciting content coming up. Little side note, I hope you guys have been enjoying the short videos. I've been having a lot of fun doing them. They've been getting quite a bit of traction. We have a few comments and quite a bit of likes. So again, thank you for that. And we'll continue giving sneak peeks through shorts of our upcoming Wednesday videos. So today's video, I've been having some issues. My computer is super laggy today for some reason. Undetermined as to why, but I am having, this is probably my fourth time trying to record this video. So hopefully it goes well this time. All right, so we're going to dive right in it. I'm just going to give you a quick overview of my mining farm here. As you can see, it says I have 11 miners. I actually have 10. One is a bonus miner. I've never used it. It's stayed in my account. So basically, I do have 10 miners, okay? We're looking at 292.88 terahash in total computing power. The mean efficiency is sitting at 15 watts per terahash. And currently, my GoMining discount is 23.25%. And all of that is relative to how much BTC rewards I earn every day. Basically, how much computing power do I have? What's the cost of my computing power? And what kind of discount am I receiving from taking advantage of GoMining's internal ecosystem opportunities? In this case, the discount is mainly derived from paying my service and maintenance in the native GoMining token. So they give me a discount if I pay for my service and maintenance in their own native token. why wouldn't I do it? So an easy way to accumulate some of that, guys, is to turn on your reinvestment into GoMine tokens. So instead of collecting BTC, you collect GMT, GoMining token. And then when you get enough, you just turn on service and maintenance and GMT, and you get up to a 20% discount. And that is directly from GoMining ecosystem. So that is 100% must take advantage of that. 20% discount is extremely significant, particularly when we're compounding that over a 4-year investment. And if you are joining through my referral link, my recommendation is going to be a 4-year investment. Okay, guys? So it's going to be a 4-year lock in VeGOMINING and a 4-year run of a self-sustaining ecosystem, earning 100% of your rewards. It's like the best possible situation set up in GoMining, and I want to walk you guys through it. So use the referral link, use the code, get the bonus in TH, send me a message, and we'll start working together, okay? All right, so we're going to move on. I would like to maybe, yeah, I am lagging. I'm so sorry, guys, that this is happening. We're just going to have to deal with it. I can't keep redoing the video. So these are some of my miners here, guys. Got some greedy machines, East Collection, a lot of fun stuff happening here, Minebox. So we're going to go right to the leaderboards. You'll see we have miner rewards. There's a few options here. You can take a look at your farms. Liquidity we will get into. It's a super lucrative opportunity to make some pretty good return on your investment as well. That, again, it's a opportunity provided by GoMining right within the ecosystem. So these are things that you can do right within the app to keep compounding that return on investment. Okay, but today we are going to look at bounty points, because bounty points is what the video is about. How we're using bounty points to increase our return on investment. And that's kind of what our focus is today, and the activities that I do to ensure that I get a little piece of the pie. And it's not much, but again, I think the whole emphasis here is to, number one, recognize that the compounding effect from your daily activities is significant, okay? Even if it's like 15 GoMine tokens a week, times that by 52 weeks, times it by, whatever you want to times it by, but the compounding effect of that week on week on week is significant. Never underestimate the power of compounding investments. Credit cards are a great example of that. They have compounding interest on you guys like nuts, right? So they're making tons of money. They got the biggest skyscraper buildings in Toronto and New York. The biggest, most beautiful buildings are owned by bankers because they compound interest us. They are making big bucks on us consumers. So much like that, we want to take advantage of the GoMining ecosystem. We want to have compounding effects helping us grow and increase that return on investment. So let's take a look at some of the tasks. So the thing you're looking at right now, this is like our main bounty screen. You can see in the right, I am at Epoch 6, and currently it's giving my data for all cycles. I haven't necessarily been very active with bounty, maybe only for the last 6 weeks. And again, in one of those situations is, I'm learning as I go too. So I did not put much attention into the bounty program when I first started for the first year and a half or so. So I kind of regret that, because again, the compounding effect of that would have been substantial. And today I probably would have been in a way better position with a higher return on investment. So now I'm doing it daily. It's part of my daily tasks. I come in, I click my service button, which after 10 days of doing that in a row gives you 3% discount. And then I go right into my bounty tasks. It doesn't take long. But if you really want to take advantage of it, the referrals is where you're gonna see, like the referral sales is where you're gonna get the best bounty. You get 50 points. So now we're talking about points. We're gonna go right into the tasks button, guys. We'll go into tasks, and then cycle 116 is the cycle we're on. And there's currently 4 active tasks. I'm assuming that's what that means. So here's the biggest one, referrals. Okay, so if we're referring a new customer with a new setup, which, my hope is today is that you guys are like, wow, Brian, that was a great video. I'm going to follow you, I'm going to support you, I'm going to register and referral, I'm going to buy my first miner using your code, I'm going to get the 5% TH. And then that's a big thank you to me, because I'm going to keep producing this content, showing my tips and tricks. Okay, guys, so referrals is the biggest one. And here we are on YouTube trying to create a brand and trying to create referrals and educate people about GoMining. Bring a friend. You only get 1 point. So basically, bring a friend is it's a referral, but it's not a sale. So referral purchases are way stronger with regards to points than bring a friend. But for I'll show you in a minute. I think I had 5 friends yesterday, so I got 5 points from that, right? Then messages in Telegram, pretty basic, guys. You're gonna click it. You're gonna go to the task, and then when you load into the Telegram, which is pick application. Jeez, my apologies. I guess I should have been logged in here to demo this a little bit. But view in Telegram. Let's see if we can do it. Okay, let's do something here. All right, so I'm actually going to go back in and re-click that, guys, because I want to make sure it's important to me that I'm actually getting into there by this button, particularly there. All right, so now we're in Telegram. So basically, if you come in here, all you have to do is post 10 comments within here, and they can be engaging with other users. They can be tips on how to increase your return on investment, or maybe just like update people on your current progress and what you're reinvesting in. If you're collecting BTC, if you're reinvesting in TeraHash, or if you're reinvesting in GoMining tokens, you can talk about that. You might even find some situations in here where somebody needs help and you can actually help them because you have an answer to their questions, okay? So this task, you can do it daily. Okay, so if you look here, you can do it daily. And then I believe if I click here, you'll see active 6 days. I've done it yesterday. I received my 2 points. When I do it again today, it'll say 4 points there. And you can earn up to 14 points per week simply doing this task. Okay, so like that is an easy task to do. Twitter. If you're on Twitter, you can take advantage of this. Right now, my tweet score allows me for 10 points per day. This is a one-time action as well. So I come in, I log in Tuesday. The system resets on Tuesday because of a new cycle. I connect my Twitter, and then I click the share button. Okay, and the share button brings me to the GoMining Twitter page where, so they're asking me to basically tweet their message. Okay, and then when I tweet that message, within 24 hours, I start seeing 10 points added every day. So we got bring a friend, we got referral purchase, we got Telegram, we got sharing a message on tweet, and then a super easy one, watch a GoMining video, and they're actually pretty fun videos. The guys are doing a great job creating those videos on YouTube. So I actually sit there and watch the whole thing. And there's always something to learn. So that's the activities that we can do under the bounty program. And the thing I wanted to recognize here, guys, is yeah, it might not seem like a lot today, and it might not seem like a lot tomorrow, but what I want to emphasize is 2 points today, 4 points tomorrow, 7 points. They continue to compound, and then at the end of the week, you might get, let's say, anywhere from 5 GoMine tokens to 20. Okay, and some people even get way more. Like, if you are an influencer online and you have a strong brand and presence where you can drive traffic and interest in this, cryptocurrency, Bitcoin NFT miner market, then you would have great success. You would probably earn more from the referral program than you would be earning from the actual daily Bitcoin earnings, right? I mean, it depends on how powerful your online influence is, but a lot of people could do really well. So what I'm going to do now is I want to go and take a look at history, okay, guys, just so you can get an idea of what I'm doing, how many points I'm achieving, and now this is for cycle 116. I am going to go back and look at 115 just so you guys can see what happened last cycle, because I'm going to share my bounty rewards, what I did, and I got them this morning when they're pretty excited. Actually, I'm very impressed with them. So I got so far in this new cycle 116. I have a watch a GoMine video. I have messages in Telegram, bring friends. So I referred 4 friends, and I'm starting to get my shares on Twitter points as well. And those are significant. Those points are pretty big. So let's go to cycle 115 quickly. I did pretty good on this cycle, okay? Like, this is the best cycle I've ever done since I've been with GoMining. But in all fairness, it's also the first time that I've ever tried to do any type of referral marketing through YouTube and Twitter and Instagram and Reddit. And then, of course, I'm on Twitter, 3 different accounts on the Twitter. Like, I'm busy, guys. I'm all over the place. I own nftminer.ca where I'm creating content, driving organic traffic. My YouTube is doing phenomenal, and I believe that's actually where I got my referrals from. So as you can see, October 28th, I started off with your traditional watch a Go Mining video, and then I tried to bang out some messages in Telegram, and you can see all the activities. So I'm being consistently active because I want this to compound my return on investment, so I can start growing my wallet with more Bitcoin. That's at the end of the day, that's what everybody's looking for, is more Bitcoin, so that in 15, 20 years, Bitcoin can be at $400,000, $500,000, $600,000 valuation. Well, then that the Bitcoin I earn today is gonna like go up 400 or 500%, right? So it's very important to recognize that we're not mining for today. We're mining for 10 or 15 years when we see a large growth of Bitcoin valuation. So all right, let's take a look. I got 189 points, and then if you reflect on 114, I got total of 75 points. Basically shares on Twitter, a couple of like not much going on right here, right? So I got 75 points in cycle 114, but cycle 115 I really amped it up, almost tripling my amount of points. And then you can see here the biggest one, guys, is referral purchase, 50 points right there, okay? And then referral purchase again right here, 50 points. So that's it. I would have only been at 89 points if I didn't get those two referral purchases. So that should be your goal. If you have a blog already, if you're an affiliate marketer, sign up through my link, create your first miner, use my code, do it for about a month so you can get some data, and then start doing some marketing. You guys know what you're doing. You're good at this, right? Especially if you're already an online marketer. So this is a high level overview of bounty points, guys. It's an amazing opportunity, an internal opportunity that GoMine is giving you. GoMining is giving you this opportunity to get free GoMining tokens. Those will stack up in your wallet, and they'll start paying for your service and maintenance. Now I want to go to my rewards tab with my GoMining transactions, just so we can see how much I'm actually getting from the activities. So 189 points, cycle 116. This is my bounty reward right here, 19.23 GoMining tokens, which I would say it equates to about $9 US. So let's say $13 Canadian. I did all those tasks, and I received 19 GoMine tokens. And that is enough GoMine tokens to give me one free day of mining. Okay, now I want to also want to take a look quickly so you can see the last. How can I find the last bounty quicker? Let's do a filter, and we're going to go in here and we'll look at bounty rewards only, and we'll apply that. So last time I think I had 76, right? We'll look right here. Significantly lower. So just showing you that those referrals, they are what drives the bounty program, and everything else is kind of just gravy. But the referrals are the meat and potato, as some people would say. The main portion of your meal is going to be the referral program. All right, guys. So that was it basically. I just wanted to touch on the bounty system, give you an idea of how I'm doing my marketing, where I'm using it. So I'm on YouTube, I'm on Twitter, I'm on LinkedIn, Reddit, I'm on Pinterest, StumbleUpon, Gab Social, MeWe. Guys, the list doesn't end. Reach out to me, nftminer.ca. You can also reach out to me on Twitter if you guys want to have a chat about this. If you're unsure, if you want to poke me with some questions, I am open to the questions. I just want to get you started. Bitcoin is a big part of the future. I think GoMining is giving us end consumers a very unique opportunity to be part of that ecosystem. And when you're getting returns of around 32% minimum, I'm not too sure how you don't dive in, right? I mean, you could take a look at all the other financial markets, GICs, mutual funds, all the things that you're spending your money on to save for retirement. All of those things are minimal return on investment. We're talking 30% return on investment. You could have 100% of your investment back in 3 years if you follow my self-sustaining GoMining ecosystem ideology. And I'm going to help you get there. Number one, click the link, sign up underneath my referral. Number two, create your first miner. If you're not sure how to create that first miner, you guys send me a message And actually, I'm glad I just said that because I have 14 or so referrals, and I want you guys to reach out to me. I only have 2 sales. Um, if we go and look at that, actually, let's go to. Actually, I want to go look at that and show you guys a little piece of that referral program. I only have 2 sales from my 12 referrals. Okay, guys. 14 terahash, 14.58 terahash was purchased, and then so here it is, November 5th, 5 cent kilowatt. So I want to look at. Is this the screen I want to look at? Referrals. This one. Okay. So here it is. Registration. Okay, so upgrade, purchase and upgrade. So only 2 people of all this referral activity. And look how amazing this is, guys. Like I'm telling you, I've been working my butt off on this. And none of this stuff is private or sensitive whatsoever. So, there's no reference to what user IDs even mean. But this is where we're at, guys. So we're having purchases. The referrals are doing good. They're getting us bounty points. I'm earning from the referral system, which again funds my ecosystem. Okay, and at the end of the day, the entire 360 view of this is that bounty points come from referrals. Both of these are going to increase our return on investment in a compounding fashion. So I want to help you guys achieve this success like I am. Okay, so follow me on NFT Miner. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel because we're going to have an awesome post coming up next. And then obviously use my code for the TH bonus in your miner. And if you guys have any questions, you can always reach out to me on Twitter or on my blog or here on YouTube. Love you guys so much. Thank you for subscribing and all your comments and likes. I'm just really happy and thankful for all of your support. I had no idea it would do so well. I had no idea in 2 weeks I'd have 12 referrals. That's almost one a day. Everything, like if you guys can if you can share, start communicating with me, connect on Twitter, I'll share your stuff. If we work together, we can accomplish some pretty amazing things. I'm here to help you succeed in Go mining. Don't make the mistakes I made when I first signed up. I learned a lot from my mistakes, and I want to share those mistakes in the things that I learned with you, helping you increase your return on investment. Okay, guys? If this video is laggy, I'm so sorry. I'm not sure what's going on with my computer. My fans are super loud, and it crashed a couple of times today. I might be heading to buy a new computer. Wish me luck. Anyways, guys, this is Brian from NFT Miner CA signing off. Love all you guys. Let's get mining with Go Mining.